Okay, James, what do you got?
You didn't pick up Mr. Conductor. I should have.
You're just jealous, James.
James is right. Collecting Mr. Conductor is a very important job. As important, James, is a big engine.
Igor.
You, Thomas, are small. Teeny, weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything. Ha-ha!
Cinders and ashes. All that steam gone to your funnel.
There they are.
You'll fix their wagon.
I'm not good at backing up.
Me either.
Stop squabbling, all of you. What's important is that we stand up in our own wheels to Diesel.
Toby's right. We must stick up to Diesel.
When new Diesel means a lot of trouble.
We all have to be careful. Don't want to mess with that mechanical claw of his.
Maybe we can help.
Well, engines can do big things, even if they got nice blue paint, like me.
When Harl the Flopper Chopper passed through here,
Right? The boss has dumped sneezing powder everywhere.
let's start laughing at them.
Did you mean to look like that?
No!
Neither did I.
Cinders and ashes. That's what Diesel is doing.